Hello and welcome, and thanks for popping in. Now, this course is an intensive workout that is seriously going to significantly improve your English speaking fluency. My name is Keith. I'm a Delta qualified English teacher. I have taught English for over 10 years, and I've helped prepare thousands of students across the world for the IELTS speaking test. At the end of this course, you will be able to speak longer turns fluently and with the correct phrasing, use main grammatical tenses almost without effort and without thinking as you speak, and of course, speak with natural English intonation. All of this, which will take your fluency right up to a whole new level and build your confidence when speaking English. So this course is divided into 3 sections, right? Corresponding to the IELTS speaking test part 1, part 2 and part 3. You will learn and practice at least 16 different aspects of grammar and how to use them in different parts of the test. It's aimed for students of all nationalities around the world and anybody who wants to improve their fluency so they can get a higher score in the IELTS speaking test. I do hope you can join me on the course and really up your fluency level. Thank you for watching. Sign up below and you can start the course straight away. Take care now. Bye-bye.